How to log in to MetaMask wallet account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in to your MetaMask wallet account. So let us begin. First of all, download your MetaMask. If you don't have it, you can simply head over to your App Store or Google Play Store to install the app. After you install it, you can simply open it up. Now after you've opened this up, you will get two options. Now let me get started here. Now you'll see an option to create a new wallet. Now this simply means you'll be able to create a new MetaMask wallet account, and import using secret recovery phrase is you basically logging into it. Now tap on import using the secret recovery phrase. Now on the top, you will need to type in your secret recovery phrase that you saved or that you copied during your initial phases of creating the account. After you find that, simply paste that here, and after you paste that here, you can create a new password and confirm the new password. After you simply do that, you can simply tap on import and import the account, and you're basically good to go. You will get logged in into your MetaMask wallet account. And that is all for this video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.